everyone, welcome to Life of Sukhmani. Have you all been? Um so last time I promised you guys that I'll be posting the new video that I was working on this channel, but we ran into a little bit of a problem there. So what happened was the video I'm working on does have like a lot of shots and everything, and I usually work from a SSD drive, and I did not have enough storage to work on it, and all my other hard drives are also full. So we could not finish that video because of storage issues, and now I have to sort through and like organize. So now I have to sort through and organize almost 15 TB worth of footage, because it is from like all of my channels. I do have four, if anybody does not know. In beginning of this whole thing, I did not mention that I have like these many channels, but that's just like something. The main ones you might want to know about are the painting ones and this one. So these two channels have a lot of data, like the raw files, the painting files, everything is in 4K, so it's like so much space. And also the fact that there are so many travel videos that I have not posted yet because because of my very bad organization skills, I cannot access most of the data and know like where everything is. So that is why it's one of the main reasons why I've not finished any videos yet. So I thought, hold the video for a little bit and just organize this shit. And I have been making some progress on that. So I do think like it will take me like a week or so to go through all the footage, even a little bit more than that. I'm not really sure, because I am working on my painting stuff too, so it does take a lot of time, more than it should. I cannot do like mass transfers. So this is like a whole another tangent, and just don't want to like thought dump on you guys, but that's what's going on, and that is why the videos are delayed. And since these videos are just like weekly basis and I just don't have to think about a lot of stuff that I am filming, here I am with another vlog that is like a half vlog, because I could not find enough stuff to put in here, because I haven't been doing much. I have not left this studio at all. So yeah, that is what my life is, and that's what I'm showing right now. On a whole another thing, I did watch a lot of movies, since we talk about movies, and I don't know, I just like to keep record of all this stuff, and the best way for me to do is just like when I'm talking to myself, and I feel like it is very good for my mental health to talk about this stuff that is not really important for other people, but if you guys are are interested, I am obviously going to tell you guys. I don't hold back on this kind of shit. So I watched a lot of movies, and the first one we're gonna talk about is I did watch like a few with my dad, the ones that I don't know what they were called. I was just like sitting playing a game on my phone because I was taking a day off after so long. And one of those was The Collective. It was like assassin movie, good movie, but like very similar concept to many other assassin movies. It was about human trafficking and all. So did remind me a lot of Haunting Adeline themes, but obviously not Haunting Adeline themes. If you know what you know, it was just an assassin movie. So we watched that one, and then One, he was watching Earth Rescue Day. It was the funniest movie. It was like a Chinese movie, but the graphics were so bad. It was so funny because of that. So I watched that one with him. And then we watched like a South Indian movie. I don't know. Something Rekha. I don't even know what the name was, but it was a very good movie with like a thriller suspense, like who done it. And I loved it. And other than that, um, I still have not finished the K drama that I was watching because for some reason I just don't like turn on my TV. I don't know. And I don't like to watch stuff on my iPad, especially like movies and all. So that is something I've not yet finished, the mellow movie one. And I did watch this another movie called The Village. It was a little bit weird. It's about like it's based in Japan, and it's about like a village that has like a dumping plant, like a waste sorting. I don't know what do you call that, industrial waste stuff plant. And there's like this murder. There is a little bit of a ancient dance that they do for some reason. It's like a tradition thing. And about toxic waste and all. So it's like it was a good movie, but not too good. Like I might forget about it in a week or so. So that is what I watched. And I did not watch another movie on Netflix. But I. Okay. I think that was all that I saw. And I have been watching the F1 races. And I've been loving the F1 races. Today is the South. Um, the one in Jeddah. I just cannot. My brain is not braining right now, but today is the Jeddah race, and we're really excited, rooting for. I don't want to say. I mean, it was sad that Lando hit the wall yesterday, but for some reason, I don't know why, I kind of feel a little bit see myself rooting for Max Verstappen sometimes. I don't know why. I know like he is so good, but sometimes it just happens. I just root for different people. Obviously, I do love Carlos Sainz, but since he's in a Williams, we cannot. And for the books, I do have a Goodreads. If you guys want to know, like in real time, what I'm reading and what ratings I give the books that I'm reading, you can check out my Goodreads. I do have it in the description, so you guys can access it there. Last we were reading the Love Light Farms one and Iron Flame, rereading Iron Flame. So I did start the third part of the Love Light Farms. It was Mixed Signals, and I did like the story. It was cute again, but it was like an average book for me. And then Business Casual, again an average book for me. And we're almost done with Iron Flame. I don't know why I'm dragging it out so much. I don't want to, but I am, because I'm just like so scared to go to Onyx Storm for some reason. But I think I will finish it soon enough because one of my friend who is reading it with me, like she's reading it for the first time, and she's almost at the end. I think so, like on the second part in Iron Flame, and I want to get there first. So the next book that I started listening to was King of Flesh and Bone by Liv Zander, and it's from the Pale Coat Duet. I thought this book was going to be about something else, but it just does not feel like it has a lot of substance. So I don't know. I mean, I am listening to an audiobook for this one while painting my paintings, so it will be easier to listen to that. I will just like probably do like faster speed and listen to it because I feel like it's just not something I was hoping it would be. I do have a few books that I really want to read in order. So I need to hurry up and read these. I am a little behind on my reading schedule, so I think we will get there soon enough. Anyway, that was all that I had been doing. I've been talking non-stop for 10 minutes, and oh my god, it's 4:30 and I have to go help my friend with a video stuff, and I am running late. I was supposed to be there at 4:30. I don't know. I'm just going to make up an excuse or something. I already have like my makeup, so I'm just going to change and go help with the video, maybe film a little bit, and then edit this video and upload it so you guys can see it. And I just hope everybody, you all are doing great, and we'll see you guys in the next one. I don't know what to say. Like and subscribe.
बट कोई नहीं डील मैनेज और आगे बढ़ी